Your boy back with another one and a quick unboxing. Hold on, let me see if these things. I think my camera messed up, fogged up or something. Let me get it. This one too. But as y'all can see, got a quick unboxing to do, man. And hope these things open. Cause y'all, if y'all was following the page already, y'all already know. You know what I'm saying? Got some new wheels coming for Skoot. And they here. Like I say, I ordered these, I want to say, about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, something like that. Though. I couldn't make my mind up what I wanted, so I kept switching from different ones to see. But yeah. But y'all check it out and see. I only seen them when I was getting them made, so I really don't know what they look like either. I just know what the caps look like, which y'all just seen those. So we finna see what these wheels look like, man. I'm thinking about, I don't know if I'm gonna do a different color on Skoot, or I might leave it purple for right now. I wanted to do it, I wanted to change the color on it before the 4th of July. But I'm not gonna be able to do that because I still have to take the wrap off, and it's gonna take a couple weeks for the guy to paint the car and all that, and it's gonna be pressed for time, so that ain't gonna be able to do, you know. So I'm about to do it when I come back, because like I said, if you've been following the page yourself, I'm going to Texas this week, so it's just gonna be too much. But I'm gonna leave it the color it is. I'm gonna fix that top on it. I'm gonna get that top rewrapped, and I think these will look good in the purple. I think, like I say, I ain't even seen this shit yet, but we finna find out together. So hey, y'all gonna be looking same for the first time, just like me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's what I'm talking about right there. See that right there? Custom. About to do that 95. Custom. Oh, we got the gold rivets. I like that. These some little ass wheels, man. I'm so used to seeing big wheels. These bitches so small. These motherfuckers tiny. I like this here. Turned out goddamn good, I must say. Get this little shit out. Look how light they are, guys. They so light. They so little. Let me sit these right here on the dog cage real quick. Got something else in here on my caps. My knife at. I don't know why that company shipped the wheels like this, but it is what it is. Last time, I know one reason this shit, because last time I got some wheels, the damn center cap was broke. You know what I'm saying? So I just told them to start putting them bitches separate. I don't need them in the same doggone. Cause once the damn dude threw my damn box, man, and fucked up my center cap. You know what I'm saying? And shit wasn't floating. And then people didn't want to act like they didn't want to fix it. So, and this is probably my last time doing floating big caps anyhow, man. That's like I know it's gonna be small caps. Y'all think, guys? Y'all think I need to? I'm thinking about adding some more gold on these things. I really am. Y'all already know me. I'm thinking about putting some more gold on them myself. What y'all think, man? I mean, I'm gonna see first how it look. You know what I'm saying? In the first, I'm gonna see how it look. I shouldn't pop this in like this, but fuck it. Fuck it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I already see what I'm finna go. I need some more gold in this middle. I'm finna go this right around here. I'm finna go see if it'll go. If it'll go, I'm finna hit that. Yeah, if that'll go, I'm finna hit that. Yes, sir. Skoot finna be clean. Yo, out there talking shit about Skoot little wheels, man. Yes, sir. But yeah, I like that. They scratched my shit. Oh, okay. I say, what the hell? I just need to be, what you call it? But yeah, guys, like I say, new wheels for Skoot. Get in the comment section, man, and blow it up. Let me know what y'all think about it. You know what I'm saying? All the newcomers and all the new people watching, whatever, if you ain't already did it, go on and stop and hit the subscribe button, man. You know what I'm saying? So you get some awesome content. You know what I'm saying? Over here, you can ask anybody, man. We call it the hangout. You know what I'm saying? One day we might be at the car show. Next minute we might be gold plating. I might be at the tie shop. Or just riding around, me and my wife just hanging out. You know? That's why I call it the hangout. I invite y'all to come hang out with me. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, here's it, man. These wheels here is for my little smart car. I got a set on there now. We'll take them off. Get rid of them. Sell them. And, finna go from there, man. I'm trying to see if I want to buy some new tires. Or just keep the tires on there, because ain't nothing wrong with the tires on there. I like that pot of gold up in there, man. Customs. But, yeah, dog. So, send this to my dog. He wanted to see him. So, I like them. Really do. I'm thinking that I'm finna go with this right here. I'm thinking I am. Because just to match these right here. Just to match the buttons. So, I don't know. I know I'm not finna go this whole cap. No, sir. I started to go the whole face. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to see how it's going to look on the car. Then, you know, it don't take me long to go or nothing. So, worst come to worst. Then I started to go with just the back barrel. You know, so I don't know. You know what y'all think. I'm going to see how it's going to look on the car first, man. I mean, I think that ring in the middle will bring this F out because it's gold. And it'll match up with these that'll bounce off that. Plus the gold windows, mirrors and stuff like that. So, yeah, guys. Like I say. But I'm finna go back here and see if I can go with this here. I think it's aluminum. It might not be able to go. I know this here is chrome, but if not, I'm just gonna leave it like that and just go from there, man. But yeah, I like them. Really do. Turned out good. But yeah, like I say, man, if you ain't already did it, man, look, stop what you're doing right now and hit that subscribe button, man. Go on and follow your boy, man. Know what I'm saying? Like that comment section up. Know what I'm saying? Shoot them like. Share it with a friend, with a friend, with a friend. You might know somebody who wanted one of these little cars one day. Know what I'm saying? And just didn't have a vision for it. Know what I'm saying? And I'm showing them the vision. If so, they got some tires I can sell them. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man. Go on and do that for your boy, man. Go on and hit that button, man. And, yeah. I can't stop looking at them, guys. These motherfuckers nice. I'm trying to think of a car I can get to order some of these and put on there. I'm sent to my dog Didi. He got the same doggone wheels, but then they got 30s. You know what I'm saying? So send to him. So shit. But yeah. I like. Really do. Crazy thing about just 4-lug, man. 4-lug. I think it's 4x100. Some crazy little boat pattern. You know what I'm saying? But gold buttons. The name of the wheels. Got my custom name right there. Yeah, we on some things now. And I think that's gonna look good on that purple. I'm not going to, I almost slipped up and told y'all the color I was going to paint the car, but that's going to be a surprise. If I decide to get it painted, it'll be after the 4th. I ain't going to make the 4th, but I might going to slide these on because it's a car show after the 4th, date on the 5th. I'm going to hit it. I'm going to debut these, and then I'm probably come back and flip the whole car. You know what I'm saying? Whole nother paint job, stuff like that. That's what I'm going to do, the inside and stuff like that. But let me see if I can get some of these made for my truck. I like these. But yeah. But thanks for getting with me today, hanging out with me, man. You know what I'm saying? Just got off work. I'm really tired. I'm gonna sit my butt down, call my son, see what the hell he at. And yeah. Go out here and mess with this thing here, see if I can gold it. If I could, I would, but I mean, I am, but if I can't, I think, matter of fact, I'm just going to leave it like that, man. No, I'm not. I'm going to see if I can gold it. If I can gold it, I'm going to take off with it. If not, I'm going to leave it like that. And we're going to go from there. But, yeah, guys. Stay tuned. Skoot makeover coming soon. Get at me. Peace.
That's all, folks.